Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 8 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 64 sine t square, number 64, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have a cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. Dx we change by this one. This one we have 64 sine t square. Number 64, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change by cosine t square. The square root of this one, we have 8 cosine t. And now we need to simplify, and we have like this. Now we need to expand this one. So number 26 and number 64, we have 1664. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. And now I will put this one gone here. So this one divided by this one, we have 832. And we have the integration 1 minus cosine 2t dt. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have t. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. And I will put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 8. And now we can find the value of t equal to arc sine of s over 8. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.